This is a view of the skyline on the farm. And here, right off the edge of the house, we have Winchester. He is a guest at our farm here, and he is here for training. He's a nice young gelding here that's getting training for camel rides at the fairs and elsewhere. Hey, buddy boy. Yeah, you're loving this. You're loving this. You like your training too, don't you? You're gonna have a lot of fun giving people rides. And here is my dear wife taking care of the family's laundry. There's nothing like fresh smelling laundry that's air dried out in the country. If I could work that fast, I wouldn't need a helper. Okay, so here is the paddock where the camels stay in prior to being milked, and then after they are milked, we put a little bit of feed in the tank here for them, and then here we have loose hay that they can be eating. Try to keep the ground around here clean. In order to do that, we've got in a load of sand right here, and little boys are enjoying playing in it now. But this will help keep the camels nice and clean and help with good drainage when it does rain. And here Nathan is cleaning out the one box stalls. We're going to be putting clean sand into the box stall there also. And here we are keeping the floor cleaned right down to the cement now for the summer in here. This is evening just before chore time, and you can see the animals out on the grass, and we are putting a little bit of sand here for the camels to help keep everything cleaner when it rains, better drainage. And here Tanzania, you can see Tanzania, she took the opportunity to get right in the sand pile there and enjoy herself while or before we spread the pile. Absolutely loving that sand. What you think, huh? Is that pretty nice? That is pretty nice, isn't it? And here we have a little bit of hay for them to supplement their diet, little grass hay, keep the dry matter in their stomach as well. They seem to have the mineral feeder figured out by now. We got the rubber lid on it there so that keeps the rain out. They can take their nose, pick it up, and get the salt and the minerals. Everything seems to be green and growing here in June. This is a beautiful time of the year. And then of course we have the babies sitting on the other side of the fence waiting for milking time. We've got little April there. She's really enjoying the sun. She's right down, soaking it right up. So from this vantage point, you can see the ducks swimming on the edge of the pond there. And I'm standing in the pasture here. And then you can see the aerator aerating the pond. Better quality water. You can see the couple beef cows we have back there sitting at the edge of the pond. You can see the camels around out back. And a couple of the milch camels there are actually using the dust bath right there. And then as we swing around, we have a full 365 of the middle of the pasture here out by the pond. And right there we have the chicken tractor where we are raising our own broilers. And here's the up close of the chicken tractor. You can see the water sitting on top, and then you will see the chickens underneath in the shade. This time of the afternoon they're taking advantage of the shade that they're getting. Hey Chickie, how you doing? You enjoying yourself in the shade? Here is a little view of our garden. You can see the potato rows here, corn over on this side. One thing that we enjoy doing with our family is gardening also. This is approaching the out back behind the house here. And right here we have peppers, we have squash, and here is the cabbage. The tomato plants are coming. And then there is the cucumbers. And then we have the beans here. As you can see, we have some extras in here too called weeds. So there's a time to go ahead and weed again, and we need to till the garden too. So you're seeing the garden just the way it is. And there's the view from the garden. You can see the kangaroo on the other side of the fence. They love this sunshine as well. This here is Penny. The other one has a baby in the pouch. Hey Penny, how you doing? Like a natural wild habitat right here. Right here is the patty as well. See if we can get an up close shot for you. Because this is the middle of the summer, we also have plenty of camel milk on hand. And there we emptied 2 shelves that went out, shipped out today. So that gives us more room for milk the next couple days. And on the door here, we do have some of the kefir that is ready to go. We make 3 bottles of this camel milk kefir every single day. So we have plenty of this on hand right now too. We have the bottom shelf, we have some there, and we have some here, and we've got some over there. And then this is miscellaneous samples up here. And then we have another chest freezer with plenty in there right now also. Right now we do have plenty of milk in stock, as you can see here. But we are lucky because of the amount of production that we produce. We don't have old dates, as you can see here. You can read these dates. We got 6/14 there, 6/19. We got 6/24, 6/24. So we don't have very old milk, being today is only the 24th, or the 25th actually.